Hello rail fans and welcome to another video. This is the first foreign catch of 2021. What you're going to see here is K707. It's an empty ethanol train that I didn't realize when I first went after this, but it also was an empty coal train. So it had the 3 Bnsf leaders up front and then 3 CSX locomotives in the middle separating the ethanol cars from the coal cars. A Facebook friend called this train out earlier in the day, and I had seen it down at the Berry Road crossing waiting for a crew. It was very late in the day when it finally did get its crew. So I'll show you the roll by here of the GoPro clip of those BNSF leaders, and then we'll flip to some drone coverage of it. This train is currently rated to go from Tampa, Florida up to Lafayette, Indiana. My guess is that the coal cars come off at Evansville at the yard there, and then they continue northward with the ethanol cars. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.